What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest alerts on all the content and videos that we drop here on the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I have a special credit union review. This one is long overdue. I don't know why it's taken us this long to actually do a review on this particular credit union, but the credit union that we're going to be reviewing today is Pentagon Federal Credit Union, otherwise known as PenFed Credit Union. So PenFed is actually one of the largest credit unions in the country. Now, based on official placement in terms of the largest credit unions, PenFed ranks number 3 right after SECU. However, with SECU, they combine all the different separate state employees credit unions together. But if you're really looking at just like single credit unions, then PenFed is actually number 2. They're right behind Navy Federal. So just to give you kind of perspective, PenFed has $25 billion in assets, and Navy Federal is about 4.5 times the size of PenFed, just to give some perspective on the size. So Navy Federal is, over 4 times larger than PenFed. Now, a couple things about PenFed. They are military friendly. However, you do not need a military affiliation in order to join. And unlike Navy Federal, which membership is a little bit more restrictive, PenFed's membership is wide open. So it's available nationwide. All you have to do is open up a $5 shared secured savings account, and that will provide you membership. So that's all you need to do, is open that shared savings account, and you're basically in. Now, a couple things, data points in terms of PenFed. Now, they are somewhat more conservative, I would say, compared to Navy Federal. Some of the differences being, as I mentioned, Navy Federal members, let's say you have a lower credit score, credit profile, you can get approved for higher limits with Navy Federal. However, with PenFed, it seems as though their business model, they're looking more so for higher credit score types of customers. So if you have, some derogatories or something like that, getting approvals with PenFed will prove to be a little bit more challenging. Also, they will be checking your check systems report. That's kind of the standard with a lot of credit unions. And then also in terms of the bureau that they're pulling, so they pull Equifax for their credit decisions. So that's one thing that you want to keep in mind. Also, from some other data points too, when they hard pull you, those hard pulls are good for up to 45 days. So if you wanted to reapply for something else, you wouldn't necessarily have to get an additional inquiry on your credit profile. Now, one of the downsides with PenFed, in my opinion, and one of the reasons why I wouldn't even put it up there with, Navy Federal, Andrews, SECU, First Tech, the reason why I wouldn't necessarily put it up there, for one, they don't have business credit products. And number two, their personal credit products are just okay, right? Nothing that really stands out. And I'm going to jump over to their website and go over some of their credit cards and other products that they have. So I'll see you right over there. All right, so here we are on the PenFed website. So in the top right, there's the join now. So you can click on that and it'll basically walk you through how to be able to join PenFed. Here they just have a couple, benefits and reasons why you should join PenFed: member discounts, financial hardship center. Again, as I mentioned, they're military friendly. So I would say a big part of the customer base is military, as you could kind of see here. So all you'd have to do is click this join PenFed, and it'll essentially walk you through the membership application. As I stated, all you need to do is open up a membership savings account, and that'll get you in. Remember, they will be doing a check systems pool. So if you have any issues with check systems, definitely get those handled before you apply. Now, just real quick, I wanted to go over their credit card products. So let's just take a look at what they have to offer. So PenFed offers a variety of different credit cards. So the one that I don't see here is their secure card, but here we go with the top three cards that they have. So starting out, you have the Gold Visa. That's their low rate APR, 0% for 12 months. So they have 0% on balance transfer for 12 months. And all of their cards are going to come with this $100 statement credit when you spend $1,500 within the first 90 days. So you have the gold card there, the Platinum Rewards Visa signature card. So that's going to give 5x points on gas, 3x at supermarket, 1 point on all other. And then their Power Cash Rewards Visa signature card. So 2% cash back on all purchases for PenFed Honors Advantage members. Or if you're not an Honors Advantage member, then it's just 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And of course, like I mentioned, all of these offer the $100 statement credit after you spend $1,500 within the first 90 days. They all have the EMV chip technology, zero liability, tap to pay, and digital wallet. And then this is just basically a lineup of their cards with the different benefits. So the auto rental collision damage waiver, that's always a good perk to have on any credit card if you rent vehicles, emergency card replacement and cash disbursement. And then here's where you kind of separate entertainment, access upgrade savings, extended warranty protection. That's only going to be on the Power Cash and the Platinum cards. And then in terms of all the other benefits, the Power Cash and the Platinum are going to have all the similar benefits, just slightly different rewards. So that really covers their credit cards. As I mentioned, they don't have a huge lineup, but they do have some okay credit cards. Next up, I wanted to go over some of their other products as well. So they do offer a overdraft line of credit with limits starting at $500, fixed APR of 17.99. And then if you want a limit over 15,000 or more, then you have to provide additional documentation. So now let's go over some of their, let's go to their personal lines of credit because I am a big fan of personal lines of credit. So they have personal lines of credit up to $20,000 with a fixed rate of 14.65% APR. So that is kind of steep, I would say, for even for a line of credit fixed at 14.65. Even though they go up to 20,000. So that's definitely something to consider. And then in terms of their loans, let's take a look at their loans really quickly. So here we are on the PenFed personal loans. So they have rates as low as 6.49% APR, no origination fees. And then you can use their loans for a variety of different reasons, including debt consolidation, home improvement, transportation, medical, dental, and life events. Terms up to 60 months, no title or deed required, no early payoff penalty, no hidden fees, and loans up to 20,000. So that basically is all I really wanted to go over in terms of their products. So we went over their credit cards. They do offer 3 credit cards. I believe they may also offer a secure credit card that just may not be on their website. And then, they do offer a personal line of credit and personal loans up to $20,000. So overall, like I said, PenFed is the second to third, however you want to look at it, largest credit union in the United States. However, I'm not going to put them high up there in terms of the best, just for the simple fact that their loans and credit lines don't go as high as some other institutions, and they don't offer a wide variety of products, including business credit products as well. So, but overall, like I mentioned, it's a decent credit union. It's available nationwide. If there's anyone who has any data points or you just want to leave your opinions about PenFed down in the comment section. We would definitely appreciate any feedback, and let us know what you guys think about PenFed. Do you think PenFed is deserves to be considered one of the best credit unions? Let us know what you think down below. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.